Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Deshik. Dear student, today I am going to take a chemistry class on the basis on assignment 4 and let us move forward today's topic. Dear students, this assignment came from your chapter 4. Not only chapter 4, this assignment came from the first part of the chapter 4. The name of the chapter is periodic table. And here the assigned task is there are different objects in the window of your house. Each object contain a major element. Present a report on the Bohr's model drawing the main component elements of any object, electronic configuration at energy level and sub-energy level, and its position in periodic table. Dear students, for this we have to make a report and we have to show the Bohr's atomic model of the main components which we can get in our windows, and come to the demo of the assignment 4. First, the report Bohr's atomic model drawing of the main component elements, electronic configuration in energy level and sub-energy level, and its position in the periodic table. To Headmaster, National Ideal English Version School, Banusri, Dhaka. Subject report submission on the Bohr's atomic model drawing of the main component elements, electron configuration in energy level and sub-energy level, and its position in the periodic table. Dear sir, according to your order now NIEVS 1200 to 44, I am presenting a report on Bohr's atomic model drawing of the main component element, electron configuration in energy level and sub-energy level, and its position in the periodic table. Dear students, in our window there are various types of component, like the grill is made of iron and the glass is made of silicon, and another thing, if you have the window of thigh glass, that is used of aluminum, and also that there is various types, steel, aluminum, and also there is zinc, metallic. There is also zinc as the covering of the metal. Now come to the next part of the assignment. Bohr's atomic model drawing of the main component element, electronic configuration in energy level and sub-energy level, and its position in the periodic table. The components of my house window are glass, iron or steel. The main component of grill is iron, that is Fe. Bohr's atomic model of iron, its electronic configuration at the energy level and sub-energy level, and its position in the periodic table. This is the Bohr's atomic model of iron. Here, if you observe, in the first orbital orbit there is 2 electron, in the second orbit there is 8 electron, in the third orbit there is 14 electrons, and in the last orbit there is 2 electrons. Now come to the electronic configuration of iron. Here iron there is 4 shell K, L, M, N. In the first orbit K shell there is 2 electron. That how can we find out this? With the help of 2n square. 2 multiply with 1 square, when it is K shell or first orbit, that will be 2 into 1 or 2. If it is for second orbit, 2 into 2 square, 2 into 4, that means 8. In the second orbit that will be 8 electron. In the third orbit, 2, 3 square, that means 2 into 9, that means 18 electron. Now come to next one, that means 2 into 4 square, 2 into 16, that means 32. Dear students, in the third orbit there 18 electron chemistry, but here if we observe there is only 14 electron, and the next 2 electron goes to the fourth orbital or orbital N, orbit N. Now why it is gone to the next orbit, that we can easily understand from the next point, that is electronic configuration in energy sublevel of iron. That is the electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s2. Why it is goes first 4s2? Dear students, we know after 3p6 the electron first goes to 4s2, then the rest electrons come to the 3d6. The system is n plus L. N is the main orbit number and the L is sub-levels, energy sub-levels number. Then if it is for 3s, then it will be 4 into 1, that means 4, and it is, if it is for 3d, that means 3 into, sorry, that plus, it will be plus 3 sorry student, this is disturbing. Okay, n plus L is equal to for 4s, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, and for 3d, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, this energy levels value is less than 3d. 4s energy levels value, sublevels value is less than 3d energy sublevels. So, electrons goes to the lowest energy level first. That's why the electrons enters first to the 4s2, then the rest electron, the rest 6 electrons come to the 3d. Then that's why first here come to 4s2 electron, 2 electron come to the next orbital and the rest electrons come to the third orbital again. Since iron is a d block elements, so period number outermost energy level is equal to 4. So period number of iron is 4. Group number of outermost energy level is iron consists of s and is preceded by a d orbital and they contain 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So thus the iron is the element of 8th group of the 4th period. Now come to the periodic table. That periodic table you have to make by yourself for submitting with along with your assignment, and there in your book there is given in page number 62 and 63. By following this you have to make this periodic table. And another thing you have to mention or you have to recognize the irons ones. So our iron, we already find out that iron is the 4th period and the 8th. That means here 4th period, this is the 4th period and group number 8. So we have to mention this with the color pen, the box. We have to mention this iron and we have to color this iron portion in the periodic table which you will make for the assignment, and you have to submit on 2nd October 2021. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. For this you have to read the periodic table chapter and you have to make the periodic table so carefully by following your textbook. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.